Thursdays, I have other stuff to do from my former life. So before I have to do that, we are going to reset the shop, put everything back where it belongs, reorganize everything, and get ready for Friday, which should include wiring, firing, and most likely installing a throttle cable, which for some reason I don't want to do, but I have to because gotta have a throttle cable. So hit it, Turbo.
In the merry month of June, from me home I started, left the girl to tune, sad and broken hearted, saluted me father dear, I kissed me darling mother, I drank a pint of beer, me grief and tears to smother, off to reap the corn, left where I was born, cut a stout blackthorn to banish ghosts and goblins, brand new pair of brogues, frightened all the dogs, rattled all the bogs, on the rocky road to Dublin, 1 to 3 for 5, put the hair and turned her on the rocky road, all the ways to Dublin, Wakefield all day. Mullingar next night to rest in him, so weary started by daylight next morning bright, and ere he took a drop of the pure, keeps the soul from sinking, that's the paddy's cure. Whenever he's on for drinking, I see the lassie smile, laughing all the while at me darling style, would send your soul a bubble and asked if I was hired, wages I required, I was bloody well tired, on the rocky road to Dublin, 1 to 3 for 5, put the hair and turned her on the rocky road, all the ways to Dublin, Wakefield all day, yeah. Dublin X arrived, I thought it's such a pity to be so soon deprived of view of that fine city. I thought I'd take a stroll out amongst the quality bundle it was stole. In a neat locality something crossed me mind, I should look behind, no bundle could I find. Upon me stick a walking and inquiring for the road, said me colored road wasn't much in vogue. On the rocky road to Dublin, 1 to 3 for 5, put the hair and turned her on the rocky road, all the ways to Dublin, Wakefield all day, yeah. Soon got out of there, me spirits never failing, landed on a quay, as me ship was sailing, captain at me roared, shut the door of Paddy when I went on board, I came and found for Paddy went down amongst the pigs, dance a party rig, dance a funny jig, the water round me bubble and last in Hollyhead, wish myself was dead, better off instead, on the rocky road to Dublin, 1 to 3 for 5, put the hair and turned her on the rocky road, all the ways to Dublin, Wakefield all day, yeah.
with poison pen I sign allegiance and my musket and my line. Will I guide the tide, or I'll plunder on command? For if I don't leave tonight, I shall be damned. Oh, the time of
days when I was coaching, I was never tired of sorting for the Euros and the whole house, and many's the place between. When I told me brother Seamus, I'll go up and I'll be famous. So go and tell the boys from me we're leaving here today. So to goodbye Mercy Gherkin, I'm sick and tired of working. No more I'll dig your ditches, no longer on the dole. As sure as my name is Paddy, I am off from Nimble Valley. Now take this bleeding job of yours and shove it up your hole. Girls at home when I'm going far across the bowl. I've gone to seek me fortune out in the USA. When I hear this gold aplenty, and my pockets won't be empty. So go and tell the boys from me we're leaving here today. So to goodbye Mercy Gherkin, I'm sick and tired of working. No more I'll dig your ditches, no longer on the dole. As sure as my name is Paddy, I am off from Nimble Valley. Now take this bleeding job of yours and shove it up your what? Still at the foot of the hill with the smoke barrels up to the sky, and the whiff of the smell you can clearly tell that there's butching boys close by. When it fills the air with the perfume rare made for me and you, and home will roar with the viper and the horn of a couple of mountain dew. Skilly dilly day lum, skilly dilly day lum, skilly dum day dilly day day. Skilly dilly day lum, skilly dilly day lum, skilly dum day dilly day day. Skilly dilly day lum, skilly dilly day lum, skilly dum day dilly day day. Skilly dilly day lum, skilly dilly day lum, skilly dum day dilly day day. Drink a glass, but I won't tell you a lie. But a sweet punching from Ireland's green that's made from wheat and rye. Don't forget your pills, as I'll cure all ills, be you pagan, Christian or Jew. And home will roar with a viper and a horn of a couple of mountain dew. Skilly dilly day lum, skilly dilly day lum, skilly dum day dilly day day. Skilly dilly day lum, skilly dilly day lum, skilly dum day dilly day day. Skilly dilly day lum, skilly dilly day lum, skilly dum day dilly day day. Skilly dilly day lum, skilly dilly day lum, skilly dum day dilly day day. To the waxy Dargle, Euro once on my own lawn, I haven't got a farthing. I went out to Mando Town, say I'm going to Gardo, but they wouldn't give me a couple of quid to go to the waxy Dargle. What do you have? I'm a part of the Michael User, and one of us don't order, so we're chucked out of the booze. Once a year old one will go to the Galway races. Year old one to my old one, I'll have the Elman's braces. I went out to Cable Street, the Jewish money lender, but he wouldn't give me a couple of quid for the old man's old suspender. What do you have? I'm a Michael User, and one of us don't order, so we're chucked out of the booze.
€1. Ain't got no beef or mutton. If we go up to Mondo Town, we'll get a smack for nothing. Here's a piece of sound advice. Got to the oldest longer. When the food is scared, you see the hearse, you know you died of hunger. What do you have? I'm a boy. Another pipe to use. And if one of us don't order, so we'll chuck down on the booze. What do you have? I'm a boy. Another pipe to use. And if one of us don't order, so we'll chuck down on the booze. Thanks so much.
My intake gasket is leaking around that little hole in the head. So I get to remove and replace the intake, the header, and the gasket, which is fine. I can build a new one of those. I got more room now, I guess. I don't know. So, you know, more fun activities coming up.